Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best omelette ring is probably one of the most versatile and useful kitchen gadgets for making consistently perfect omelets every time. This handy ring helps you create evenly sized, beautifully shaped omelets on your griddle, making breakfast preparation a breeze and elevating your culinary skills to impress your family and friends with restaurant-quality omelets at home. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this tool will simplify your cooking process and help you achieve professional results. Number 5. Cuisinart CGR 400 Griddle Rings. Create perfect half-circle omelets effortlessly. It holds your eggs and toppings until cooked, then simply fold and enjoy. Make restaurant-quality stacks of 6-inch pancakes with ease. It maintains its shape while cooking, for beautiful, even pancakes. Make eggs that fit perfectly on your English muffins for delicious breakfast sandwiches. They're also great for smaller pancakes. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and cleanup. Plus, the foldable handle saves space. For even easier removal, lightly spray with oil. Place it on the hot surface before adding ingredients. Remember, the handle gets hot, so use oven mitts. What we like? It has 3 different sizes to suit all your needs, from small eggs to large omelets. Its non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The foldable handle saves space in your kitchen drawers. If you need a versatile and practical set, this is the one for you. What people say. If you're looking for a solid metal ring for making the perfect bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, this is it. Initially, when I started my search, I noticed a lot of cheaper options made out of silicone rubber, and I was concerned about the long-term effects of heating up silicone rubber and chemicals getting into my eggs. Then I stumbled upon this metal set, which is not a non-stick, and now I no longer have to worry about the harmful chemicals potentially being absorbed. The rings work great. Haven't used the bigger one since I only really cook with the smaller ring, but it fits 2 eggs nicely. These are awesome rings, easy to clean, and are 7/8 high. The handles are very helpful and mine didn't get hot. The mixture stays inside the rings and you can make thin or thicker pancakes, and they are all the same size. I had no problem with eggs or pancakes sticking to them, but I do put a dab of butter in them for cooking, so that might have helped. They come in a box that you can keep them in when not in use. They are very easy to clean. The 2 4-egg rings make perfect size eggs for bagels, biscuits, etc., and also are good for making small pancakes. The 6 ring makes bigger pancakes and you can use it to make a small omelet. The 8 ring makes a big omelet. I have a little silicone egg ring I had gotten a while back from a store locally. We've started using the griddle more now, so I wanted to get more egg rings to do more than 1 egg at a time. My husband also likes omelets, so I figured a bigger ring for that would make those easier. We've used these on sunny side-up eggs and nothing else so far. They work perfectly. None of the egg escapes. With my silicone one, some egg escapes. These are easy to clean and easy to use. I spray them with butter, and the egg comes out easily. Number 4. Ameupin 3-pack cooking rings. It creates perfectly shaped half-circle omelets effortlessly. Simply fill it, cook until done, add your favorite toppings, and fold for a delicious meal. Make restaurant-quality, 6-inch pancakes with ease. It maintains its shape while cooking, making flipping a breeze. These are ideal for perfectly sized eggs to fit on English muffins or for smaller pancakes. Create delicious breakfast sandwiches effortlessly. Included with your purchase is a handy egg separator and oil brush, making breakfast preparation quicker and healthier. They're made from durable, BPA-free stainless steel with a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. The silicone handle cover prevents burns. What we like? It comes with a free egg separator and oil brush, making your breakfast prep easier and faster. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release. If you value convenience and quality, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The rings worked just as advertised, no leaks and no sticking. A tiny amount of oil in the pan and brushed on the rings did the job. Perfectly formed fried eggs that fit on toast or English muffins. Also, the rings clean up easily. These worked really good. They did stick to the eggs just a bit, but overall a good product. I used on a griddle rather than a pan. There was little to no leaking. Also, be sure they are well greased and up to temperature before adding food. First, the egg rings are well made, perfectly round and easy cleanup if using a non-stock spray or brush of butter. Number 3. Omelet Ring Set. It's large enough for a big omelet. This ring holds your eggs and toppings until they're cooked, making a delicious breakfast in minutes. Share it with your family and start your day happy. Make restaurant-style pancakes easily. It holds its shape perfectly, preventing leaks and ensuring even cooking. Flip them effortlessly for a beautiful stack. This ring is perfect for smaller eggs, ideal for sandwiches or muffins. It's larger than traditional rings, ensuring your eggs are the perfect size for any meal. We've included an egg separator and oil brush to make cooking even easier and faster. These tools will help you create perfect eggs every time. These rings are incredibly versatile. Use them for poached eggs, pancakes, sandwiches, frittatas, and so much more. Get creative in the kitchen. What we like. This set boasts larger sizes than most, perfect for impressive omelets and pancakes. The non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup. It also includes a free egg separator and oil brush for added convenience. If you love making big, beautiful breakfasts, this is for you. What people say. Easy to clean and worked great for the eggs we put on the Blackstone. I liked the different sizes. Works great. Perfect size for the king-size English muffins. I try to grease us the sides too. And/or scrape around with the knife before lifting. Very easy to use and clean. Handy for many different things on the griddle or skillet. Perfect omelette size. The pancake size is good and the egg rings are bigger than the others I already have, so all is great with the world. Number 2. Blackstone 5515 Egg Ring Kit. This kit has everything you need to make restaurant quality eggs at home. It's the perfect way to elevate your breakfast game. With 6 rings, 3 round and 3 square, you can create beautifully shaped eggs for breakfast sandwiches or any dish. They're also great for sausage patties and more. These non-stick silicone molds are incredibly easy to use and clean. Simply place them on your griddle, cook, and then hand wash or put them in the dishwasher. Use them for eggs Benedict, poached eggs, omelets, crab cakes, pancakes. The possibilities are endless. Impress your family and friends with your culinary creations. Blackstone stands behind the quality of our products. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit offers both round and square rings, expanding your culinary options. The non-stick surface makes cleanup quick and easy. Blackstone's reputation for quality ensures it will be a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. If you want a reliable and versatile set, this is it. What people say. This is a quality item. I'm very pleased with how well the rings work. I've had no issue with eggs or batter running out the bottom of the rings as long as you use a flat surface. I've had no problem with sticking, and it's also easy to clean. Designed well so eggs don't leak out. Non-stick. Makes perfect eggs every time. Heat resistant. The rings are sturdy and well made, and they help create uniform shapes, which is great for breakfast sandwiches or just making a nice presentation. Number 1. Eggs Rings 2-pack. Start your day with perfectly shaped breakfast sandwiches. These rings make cooking quick and easy, and cleanup is a breeze. Create fun shapes for your eggs. They're great for omelets and adding a touch of flair to your breakfast. Made of durable stainless steel with a non-stick coating, these are simple to use and clean. Just brush with a little oil for best results. These rings are incredibly convenient. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup after a delicious meal. Perfect for eggs, but also great for pancakes, burgers, and more. Get creative and add your favorite fillings. Take these rings on your next camping trip. They're portable and perfect for cooking delicious meals outdoors. What we like. These fun-shaped egg rings add a playful touch to your breakfast routine. The durable stainless steel and non-stick coating make them easy to clean and maintain. They are perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your meals. If you're looking for a unique and practical set, this is a great option. What people say. Very easy to put the egg in without it leaking everywhere, and it's very easy to use. So amazing for pancakes and eggs, especially when you are camping. Easy to use, and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.